YouTube? What's going on, man? It's your boy Caleb, and I'm doing another POV for y'all boys. I heard y'all in the comments, and I heard y'all on, well, not I heard y'all, but y'all text me on Instagram saying y'all fucking with the POV, so I'm gonna bring out more POVs for y'all. So yeah, shoot, we just gonna just drive around, and yeah, man, shoot, I'm trying to talk to y'all. Then after this, I got a little Q&A for y'all, and let y'all get to know me. A lot of y'all told me y'all messing with the pop, so y'all know, y'all get to see my neighbors mad and shit. Cause I'm finna pop my car all video. Y'all not even gonna really be able to hear me, so, but yeah. My neighbors have to go through this every single day. It'd be like 4 o'clock in the morning, I wake up, and then I start my car like at 4:30. Bruh, that cold, you know how that cold start, man. But yeah, a lot of y'all be asking me what I did to my car. Honestly, it doesn't take that much to get your car loud, bro. All I did was literally straight pipe. Well, muffler delete, resonate delete, full cat back. Alright, pissed off too. I know y'all see her yell. I know y'all see her yell. I told y'all, bro, these folks be mad for real, man. I don't think y'all see her yell, but it was this lady literally yelling in my car just now. What I was saying though, I said I had got a full cat back. Basically cats cut off, test pipes, all that, y'all know. Then I got a tune to make my car pop, because when I first got this car was actually quiet. This car was super quiet, like. Oh yeah, I also got the cold air intake. I was honestly like supposed to get my rims. I was supposed to get my rims, bro, but then they were talking about my front tire didn't come in too. It really pissed me off, because it's like, how am I gonna order my shit 2 weeks ago when my back tires came in, but then my front tire didn't come in? And my front tire didn't come in. I know y'all ain't hear me, but my front tires didn't come in. Y'all supposed to like let me know type shit. Coming today, they talking about something, oh, your front tire is not even here. I'm like, well, you should have let me know 2 weeks ago, bitch. Really be hoe ass niggas, bro. I want to beat their ass, bro. That nigga teeth was yellow as fuck too, bro. Yellow ass teeth. Nigga teeth like some damn popcorn. Matter of fact, you ain't worry about brush your teeth before you worry about ordering my front tires. Stink grinding on YouTube. I'm gonna be consistent. Like I said, meet this goal. And yeah, I really appreciate, but yeah, I appreciate everybody who supported me though, for real. Like, I really like mess with y'all boys for real. Like, dude, everybody who supported me, watching my videos, liking, commenting, post notifications, all that stuff, man. I really support y'all. And honestly, I ain't want to do it this early, but when I hit 100K, I'm not 100K, 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do something for y'all. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do, but I know it's gonna involve some money. I know for sure I'm gonna give out $100. I'm gonna give out $100 to the lucky winner, but I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna get 100. So after I hit 100 subscribers, I got y'all with $100. A lucky winner, a giveaway. That's what it is, a giveaway. So y'all get this. Y'all share this video. See, y'all see niggas like him. This bitch ass Frontier, whatever you call this bitch ass truck. But yeah, y'all share this video and y'all get me to 100 subs. That giveaway, I'm telling you, $100. But I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna give it to y'all though. I ain't just gonna give it to somebody type shit. I'm gonna, like, you know, do one of those things that other YouTubers be doing, like where they be sharing. What the fuck this bitch ass nigga want, bro? Interrupt my fucking video, whore. But yeah, though, what was I saying this before this bitch ass nigga interrupted me? Oh yeah, I was gonna be like, whoever, like, I see most in the comments type shit, and who's I see share, follow me, stuff like that. That's what I'm gonna give it to, the $100. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm just gonna do something like that, cause I really like mess with y'all, like, for real. If it wasn't for y'all, I would not be where I am today. y'all got this far into the video, comment what I should name y'all. Like, in traffic right now? I don't know if it's 12 though. Should I cut up? I know y'all see me cut up earlier a little bit. I was cutting up a little bit. Oh no, I'm just chilling right now though. That's crazy how that girl was screaming at my car. I wish I could have seen that shit, bro. That girl was literally screaming at my shit, bro. Which is crazy. It be like niggas like here, but they be driving so damn slow and shit. I can't even cut up in here. This slow ass shit. I'm gonna find a way to get out of here. Why did I get in this lane? My dumb ass. My dumb ass, bro. What the fuck? I'm still learning how to cut up though. I'm still learning. Give me about a month. Give me about a month. I'm gonna learn how to cut up for real. I ain't no pro ass driver like y'all niggas be. I'm doing a little POV for y'all. POV, am I straight pipe Z? Stupid ass. How many times a day y'all take a shower? You take a shower once a day, you a stink booty ass nigga. Let me stop playing. As long as you take a shower one day, you straight. Like one time a day, you straight. Me, I take a shower. Most of the days I take a shower twice throughout the day. But I mean, sometimes it'll be one time, but most of the time it'll be two. You know, you gotta wash your ass. You can't be walking around with a sweaty ass. Sweaty ass nigga. Sweaty, literally sweaty ass. Can't be walking around with no sweaty ass. Ass is literally wet. Yo, in between your cheeks is wet. You can't walk around like that, bro. That's why you got to wash your ass. Especially for y'all niggas that's out here, you know, losing your mind, having beep, you know what I mean. Losing your mind, doing that shit. Y'all needs to wash y'all private parts, cause that's the reason why all these diseases coming out, cause y'all niggas not washing y'all private parts. That's why y'all need to get in the shower. Get in the shower, wash your ass, wash your private part, man. Y'all is the reason why we have diseases out here, man. You feel me? But nah, for real though, I need to clean my windshield, bro. My car's so damn dirty. I do need to clean my car. Shoot, y'all know anyone that's cleaning cars? Hold on. No. Hey, go around. No.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew he fucked up.
YouTube, man. I know y'all seen the last clip with my car. My car did not break down, man. My camshafts, y'all know what that is. My camshafts went out, so I had to go to the store. Buy some more camshafts, man. Boy, it's sick as the dog. About 186, man. $186 for a camshaft, two camshafts. Yeah, mine is enjoying the video, remember y'all fuck with the videos. Like, comment, subscribe, man. But yeah, though, like I said, I'm straight. Appreciate y'all watching. Yeah, I'm see y'all next clip, man. Bro, literally, if it ain't one thing, it's the next, bro. Y'all see, we got the crankshaft. Y'all probably can't even see. Hold on. Yeah, we got the crank. This is it, right? We got the camshafts, and y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Y'all don't. Y'all don't. Camshaft simple. But yeah, now the battery done fucking died. Literally, the battery done fucking died, bro. I'm finna beat my meat till I'm sleep. I mean, anyway, y'all look at y'all. We got the shit. You got the Z in the cut. Then you got the 50 in the cut. Back to back, stupid ass. Stupid ass. God damn. That nigga farted.
It ain't gonna reach.
Told you he ain't gonna reach. Y'all gonna get in front, bro. We on the fucking side of the highway. What if I just peed right here in the middle of the fucking road? Nigga will literally see my shit sling side to side. That's crazy. I just be saying shit. Literally. Girls, for all girls who watching this shit, like, I'm trying to like make it sound like PG as possible. When we be like, you know, when we be doing it with y'all, like, we be looking like this. God damn, bitch. But nah, for real though, do we be looking like that? What if I just did a girl that shit? Y'all just look like this. That's stupid as fuck though. Oh God. My boy came to the rescue, man. For real, that's some real nigga shit though. Oh God. That is some real nigga shit, bro. Oh God, bro. I remember this when I get rich, man. For real.
Oh, don't run me over, don't run me over. Oh my God. Oh, baby. Oh my God, don't run me over.
Stop playing. But nah, for real though, we finna put these shits on there, and I'm finna hit y'all up in the next clip, man.
Hey, stop it. Stop it.
YouTube, man. This is the next clip, man. This is literally like a week after that incident happened with my car. I know y'all been asking, wondering what's been going on with my car, and I'm gonna tell y'all in the end of the clip. So basically, this is just a life update of my type shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and like answer the questions. Me and ice cream, pretty sure y'all don't give a fuck, but still, I'm just see it. That's it. I had to say it. But yeah, first question I got for y'all laugh. Well, I said y'all asked me the question, so I'm gonna answer these for y'all. So first question y'all asked me is, how do I step up my dressing game? I want to be the next level like you. Honestly, when you dress, just dress like, just be comfortable, bro. Honestly, like, I can tell you the stores to go to, but I can't like tell you how to like open your dressing game. I mean, you could watch YouTubers, like fashion models and stuff, and just like, you know, have them inspire you type shit. But like, I can't like step it up. But I can tell you where to shop at. Like, you can go to Full Circle Atlanta, Good Times, Repeat. They got some pieces going, Grail. They got the pieces. But really, like, how I dress, it's just how I want to dress. So I don't know. But I hope I answered your question good. And thank you for watching. Really appreciate that. Next question. Where you work at, twin? I need a job for college. Honestly, bro, I'm finna quit that shit. Well, I don't. If the manager watching this, I'm sorry, but You know how it is, man. I cannot work there. I can't, bro. It's straight though. It's a straight job, but I just can't work there. But if we didn't know, well, actually, I'm not telling y'all where I work at. For y'all who know where I work at, y'all know. But if y'all don't know, y'all, this is best for y'all to know. But yeah, I'm not telling. I don't want to like expose that information. So if you want to know where I work at, I'll just tell you because I know who asked this question. So just text me personally, and I'll just tell you. So, yeah. Next question. You used to do a vloggy vlog, like when you be going out for breakfast and stuff. Oh God, I got you. That's a good idea. Cause bro, the group of friends that I be around when we go out to eat, bro, it be some funny shit going on, bro, at the table, bro. But I just don't be recording it, bro. I be forgetting to bring my camera in there. So on God, I got you. Appreciate that for the advice. You're a real one. Think about buying a 350, 370Z. What's your opinion? Honestly, bro, don't get that 350Z, bro. That's some bullshit. It's slow. It's ugly as hell. And yeah, I suggest you get 370. Get 370. I mean, shit. I don't really have no problems on my car. I just need a fuel pump. That's it. What? On that, I don't have no problem with my car. It's a cool car. It's fast. It's reliable. It's loud. And the interior is nice as hell. I ain't gonna lie. And it's a good car. Oh yeah, one flaw is if you got a lot of friends, bro, don't get this car, bro, because it has 2 seats. And the next person has to sit in the trunk. Because some of my friends be having to sit in the trunk. Yeah, if you got a lot of friends, do not get this car, bro. I'll tell you that right now. But like performance-wise, bro, get the car, bro. Next question. You have a girlfriend. Next question. What happened to your car? I was saying that question for laugh. Now let me stop playing with y'all. I don't got no girlfriend. Told y'all this. I will never get a girlfriend. Ever. So this whole I don't trust nobody. I don't trust these hoes. Or I just be ghosted on. But hey, that life. Stupid hell. You know, feel though? We're gonna answer that next question. What happened to your car? What happened to my car? Y'all seen in like the last few clips, I thought it was my battery, then I thought it was my camshaft sensors, and then I thought it was my engine. It wasn't none of that. It turned out, bro, my car actually ran out of gas, but like my thing said it was on half the tank. But I don't know, I just needed a new fuel pump. So you know, I got that shit fixed and we back. And that's why it took me so long to post a damn video. But yeah, I really appreciate y'all for watching my videos. Taking time out y'all day, watch my video, man. And forever, y'all don't watch my videos, y'all some whores. Let me stop playing. I appreciate y'all haters too. I know some haters watching this shit, but I don't give a fuck. But yeah, at this point of the video, I just want y'all to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notification, nigga. Yeah, you watching this shit, turn on the post notifications, bitch. Bitch! So I know I'm playing for real though. I'm not finna start looking at you till you turn that shit on. Y'all probably ain't gonna turn this shit on, but turn it on, bro. Subscribe too, bro. You that's watching this shit, subscribe, bro. Like it too. Share it, bro. Share it with your mama, your grandma, your girlfriend, your baby daddy, your baby mama, your goddamn pregnant mama, your pregnant daddy. So let me stop playing. Nah, but for real though, bro. Y'all share this shit, bro. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't know how many times I gotta tell y'all this shit. Post notifications, turn it on. Just turn it on, bro. It's so simple, bro. Like, literally, the button is right there. But nah, for real though. But again, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. And yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next video. I got hella new content coming out, man. I got hella new content coming out with the boys and shit, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. We out.